So let's go and test it. Let's say we want to make a post about redeploying Fable 5. And now we have our extension here. We can just click it. So grab the selected text or screenshot tab. So let's screenshot the tab. We have the screenshot. And now we're going to highlight the full text here. And we'll say grab the selected text. It will grab the full text of the page. And now let's generate, let's say for LinkedIn, one post in my voice. And this is our post. Oh my god, guys, it's back and better than ever. This is using my writing, so you know all the grammar and etc. Everything is written here exactly in my voice. The captions, everything. I can copy the captions. Let's go to LinkedIn, start a post. We can paste the full post here. And also I can copy the image as well. Copy the image, paste the image. And you can see now the image is here and the post is here. I can straight away post it to LinkedIn. What we will be building today is one tool, your voice, and any platform. No writing from scratch. So what it will be, you're going to screenshot any post or any website and it will write a post and you can use the screenshot that you have made straight away for the platform that you want. For example, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. The problem currently is that you see great posts every day, but you never rewrite them. So highlighting is easy. You're going to highlight the post. You're going to give the Chrome extension your couple of your posts. It will know your voice, the platform that you are writing it, and it will write the whole thing for you. And the result will be whatever you are seeing or making research in the internet and you want to make a post about it, you straight away just highlight, make the screenshot, and you have a ready post to post in your socials. This way, you're gonna increase your activity in your social profiles with minimum 5 times. How it will work? It will read the post or your screenshot. Then it knows your voice because you have inputted your voice or your example post that you have written manually. And then it will write it for your chosen platform in your voice straight away. So you can use the screenshot as an image and the written post straight away. One tool will be used for 5 platforms. It will be used for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, X, Skool. You can add other platforms as well. The data will go like this. Screenshot and text will be taken. Then OpenRouter, we will use some vision models. Then it will use your voice profile. We'll make it a post. You're gonna just copy the caption, copy the image and post them. That's it. It will be a one small Chrome extension. These are the files and what they are doing. You don't need them because we're gonna build it with Fable. We're gonna give it the goal, not the recipe. So goal plus acceptance. This is how you prompt best models. Fable will build it. We're gonna load the unpacked, paste our voice, and we'll get our real post. And we will test, is it actually real? So real OpenRouter vision call. We will see if it can read screenshots. We will check if it can output match your voice straight away and the correct styling and length per platform and your rules. We're gonna copy the caption, copy the image. If they both work, key will stay in the settings, so your OpenRouter key, and that's it. Prompts and the extension will be uploaded straight away into my free community. You can go and download them for free from the link in the description. And if you want to build your whole content system in your voice and to build your online business from scratch or to grow your one, you can join the Muro AI Academy. Let's jump to Claude and start building it. This is our main prompt. What we're gonna say, build a real working Chrome extension voice poster on my machine. What it must do, you will see what it must do. Start by telling the file structure. So let's build it straight away. We'll use Fable 5 and let's post. Our extension is ready. Let's go to Google Chrome now and load the extension. So you're gonna go to Google Chrome, click Manage Extensions, then Load Unpacked, and we will go and choose Voice Poster App. Select the folder. We can see it now here in the middle, Voice Poster. Let's go to the extension, pin it up, and let's click it. So we have to go to settings and put our OpenRouter API key. I'm going to show you how to get the OpenRouter API key. Now go to Google again, just write OpenRouter, go to OpenRouter, make a registration if you don't have. If you have a registration, just click Profile, on the left side API keys and create a new API key. click new key, name your API key, click create and copy the key. Once you copy the key, come here and paste it. Then we're gonna choose model here. For example, let's choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. So voice profile, describe your tone and paste 2 to 3 example posts you have written. Now I'm gonna go and get a couple of posts that I have made and paste them here. I am done. I have put here, so LinkedIn platform notes. If you want, you can put some notes. For example, never use emojis and etc. I will say the first line must be all caps and with one emoji, always promising something. And I will save the settings. We have everything good now. So let's go and test it. Let's say we want to make a post about redeploying Fable 5. And now we have our extension here. We can just click it. So grab the selected text or screenshot tab. So let's screenshot the tab. We have the screenshot. And now we're going to highlight the full text here. And you'll say grab the selected text. It will grab the full text of the page. And now let's generate, let's say for LinkedIn, one post in my voice. And this is our post. Oh my god, guys, it's back and better than ever. This is using my writing. So you know all the drama and etc. Everything is written here exactly in my voice. The captions, everything. I can copy the captions. Let's go to LinkedIn. Start a post. We can paste the full post here. And also I can copy the image as well. Copy the image, paste the image. And you can see now the image is here and the post is here. I can straight away post it to LinkedIn. And that's it. This is how easy in your voice you can write and post, for example, in Instagram, Facebook, X, Skool, whatever platform you want. You can, of course, give the rules for each platform. And for example, we can add settings. Let's say if you want to post to Instagram, this screenshot has to be a square, or for Facebook as well. So we can make these changes always, but you've got the idea. With these extensions, I have started to create a lot of extensions with Fable these days. I've got around 6 created now for my processes, because now Fable will be stopped 7th of July. So today is the last day. What you can do is this. Just check this out. I'm going to give you the trick. So Fable system prompt has leaked. So what you can do is get this system prompt, for example, from this GitHub repository, and just rename this and make it Claude.md and use it in your agent. So put it in your project, and you can use, for example, Opus 4.8 with this system prompt, which is for Fable, and it will act and use your things as if it is Fable. So the link for this repo will be in the description as well, so you can straight away go and use it. And this is gonna be it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you, and to see what kind of things you can do with these Chrome extensions. I'm not saying that you have to write everything and every post with AI and etc., but this can increase your posting frequency, which will increase your reach, and you can get more people to see and to be aware of you, and to grow your online business, and to bring more potential clients to your platforms. This is it for now. Check the free community in the description if you want to build your online business. Check the academy, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.